Whoa! Welcome to the vlog, guys. Again, Matt here as always. So I know you are confused about the title of this video, but just to let you guys know what we're gonna talk today, I'm gonna give you a garage update because some stuff just changed. I'll give you guys a car update, and I'm gonna talk about why this title, because I am America's citizen. So guys, welcome. As I said, if you're here for the first time, I would say it's mainly a car channel, but sometimes I like to talk about different stuff. I want to try to get more into other stuff, like in general life, and I really appreciate the fact you guys are so awesome. Every time I post a video, you guys give me a lot of support, and I thought, why not sharing this with them? So as you guys know, probably you noticed since my first video, I'm not American, I am Brazilian. I have been living here for 5 years, and don't worry, I'm not illegal. I never mentioned this here at the channel because I don't know why, but I just want to mention to you guys the fact that it has been 5 years. Last week I got my citizenship, and I'm so proud to be a part of this great nation. I cannot say thank you enough to US for all the doors that you guys have opened to me and to my family, all the support. Figure, why not share this with my YouTube channel? You guys gave me a great support so far since the day one. I always had trouble. I always thought why I should record YouTube stuff. I don't need that. I mean, other than just share with more people the things that is going on to my life. But maybe you are here in the same situation that I am right now, and I just want to thank you US for everything I will do everything that I can to make this country proud of opening the door for me and my family. Because of that, I just want to share one more thing with you guys, and don't worry, we're gonna get into car stuff. Just hanging there with me. So if you watch my channel, you'll look at that I got a truck, and I just got this new garage, and everything seems to be easy, but it's not. I have a job to keep, I have a family to give attention to. But why I'm saying that, because somehow we are always in a leadership spot. And what I mean about that, if you say, Matt, I'm not a leader, I have bad news for you. Yes, you are. You are a leader. Doesn't matter where. Maybe in your family, maybe your job, maybe you're a leader for some friends. And as a leader, you need to make sacrifice. That's what I want to say, because once I got my citizenship, everything seems to be so easy, but it's not. I gave up a lot of stuff. I gave up to be next to my parents. I gave up to be next to my brothers. I gave up to be next to my friends that I grew up with. Was that worth? Yeah, it was worth. But I want to say that without sacrifice, there's no success. I think we need to think about that, and without sacrifice, there's no success. So if you are looking for, maybe you are in the season of your life that you are seeing that you are putting a lot of hours and you are doing a lot of stuff, but I'm telling you, without sacrifice, there's no success. And that means for everything. If you want to have a business, if you want to have a YouTube channel, the reason why I'm saying that is because sometimes we just see a lot of people getting a lot of stuff. They have a lot of success in their life, and but we don't see the work that they put in it. We don't see the behind the scenes. If you want to be successful, you need to make sacrifice. I think successful in life, it's like an auction. So you guys probably are car guys or car girls. If perhaps you are here, that's the main reason why you are here, because we love cars. And we know when you go to an auction, so every time once the auction starts, and we have a lot of people to pay that price because the price is so low. But once this price starts going up, just a few people are willing to do it. That's like leadership, and that's like success in life. So if you want to pay the price, which is gonna be probably a high price, you're gonna get it. But if you're not willing to pay, unfortunately, you still can be successful, but I don't think the chances are that you're gonna be. I want to encourage you guys, when you look at you know, main things. And I'm not example of success. I want to do a lot of more stuff, and that's one thing we're probably gonna talk a lot here in the channel, how to achieve that. If you want to do something, you have to put the hours. YouTube, for example, is something like, you know, you have to put the hours. I always say to you guys that I'm not doing this for the money. I'm just doing this for the fun of it, and because I would like to share with you guys a lot of stuff. But if you don't put the hour, people are not gonna watch. I want to say thank you again to US for opening so many doors for me. I really believe if you work hard in this nation, you can do whatever you want. So with that being said, let's get to what matters, right? First of all, I'll give you guys a garage update. Turn it on the lights. All right, so the car is there. We're gonna talk about the car for after this. So garage update, guys. I don't know if you guys remember my first video about the garage, but now it's super clean, super clean, super clean. So if you guys notice, I removed all the shelves. I took care of those walls that, you know, somehow I got mold in here, but they are gone. So I still have my yard stuff in here because unfortunately I don't have a shed. So I have my lawnmower in there. I have a couple of yard stuff, and there's no blower that you definitely need if you live in Jersey. But here is the main thing. I don't know if you guys remember, I'll leave the link here for the video that I tried to fit the truck in here, and we had those shelves in there. You can still see the mark. So the plan is I'm gonna paint this wall, and I'm gonna put some cabinets that is not gonna stay on the way that I can park my truck in there, right? I'm telling you guys, looks simple, but it's not, because we got a lot of stuff going on here when we got the house. I still wanted to do a lot of things. I'm gonna do the floors. I'm gonna put it, as I said, I'm gonna put a cabinet. I'm gonna put a toolbox right here, and mainly that's the only thing I have been talking a lot. This garage space is not for the truck, because the truck, I have other stuff for the truck, but this is for something else, which I'm working for. I hope to get soon. So I just give you guys like an overview of the garage. Looks so much better, so much clean. And I hope it's gonna get better from here, so we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. I just don't want to do like show you guys. Let me know if you want to see when I get some stuff done to the garage. Let me know. I'll definitely do that. So if you guys know some good garage door opens, because what happened, I just have one remote control that I can open the door, so I want to upgrade. But if you can help me with something, leave in the comment below. I really appreciate that. Now let's talk about the truck. I got my American flag here for the thumbnail. I really need to get a oil change. It's bad. I really need an oil change. I mean, if you live in Jersey, you know what I'm saying, but today it's actually a really nice day. So far has been rainy almost every day in Jersey. And the truck is still the same. A lot of people notice that I don't have the LED lights, tail lights anymore. So if you are interested to those lights, let me know. I can give you guys for a really good deal. You just need to change the resistors for that. I just don't have the time to deal with. Here I have some Home Depot stuff that I need to return. The truck still remains the same inside. Here I have my dog with me. Say hi, Mia. Here is the switch for the bar light. A lot of people ask me if that light's always on, and it is always on. What do you need to do? And that doesn't kill your battery, so don't worry about it, but it's always on. We're gonna need to open the hood. There we go. Here is the cold air intake. So this thing is kind of loose. So far has been what, 2 weeks that I'm driving with this thing, and so far I don't have a problem at all. Zero problems with this thing. and sounds so good. I'll definitely do a review. This is not a review. The car is too warm because I just got home like 30 minutes ago. It's still super warm, but I'll definitely do like a full review, because some people, they ask me how is the gas mileage per gallon, and if it got worse or got better. I will save that for one specific video, because I think that requires that much time on it. I'm planning on do like a driving kind of thing stuff, so stay with me. But so far so good. If you got yours, I think it's worth it. The other stuff I need to give you guys an update to, it's my my phone mount. So some people ask me about it, and there we go. You don't need to drill any holes in the truck. Is, as you guys can see here, that, you know, you use this tool here that comes with, and you just open a little bit like this, and then you just attach. It's really in there, like, you know. So you put the tool here and you just push it, and you just slide it in, and you should be good to go. The best one I have so far, I tried many different ones. I probably have a lot of here in the truck, like a lot, I mean like 4 or 5. But yeah, that's that. Some people ask me about that one, so I'll leave a link in the description below if you are looking for that one. And if you can see here how easy to put your phone in here, it's just like this. Boom, it's there, and to remove it, it's just like this. Recommend to you guys that. So yeah, basically that's it. A lot of people ask me also about the steps. So I don't know the name. I got, my truck came with it. I believe the dealer installed those, because the normal Colorado doesn't come with. So I will show you guys, but I don't know the name though. But I believe if you go to Chevy.com, you probably find the same ones. I mean, I really need those. I don't see my truck without those. It's very helpful, especially when you have like my wife and my in-laws using the truck with me. So yeah, wheels and tires still the same, and that's one thing I'm gonna talk to you next video, because I think that requires time as well. I probably do an update about the cold air intake and the wheels and tires and the lift kit. Yeah guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of different style vlog slash talk. I'm thinking about to do more stuff like that. Let me know if you guys like it. Follow me on Instagram. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I would love to hear you guys and see what you guys think about it. We have a lot of new subscribers, so welcome to the channel. I really appreciate your help. If you are here for the first time, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to know about the truck, or about either my life, or either any talks. And that's it guys. Thank you so much US for everything you have done. As I mentioned before, I hope you guys are excited about the garage, and I'm working like step by step. We're gonna get there. So I hope to see you guys next video, and as always, don't forget, enjoy your life.